I'll show you how to clean the 3 air filters on this Black & Decker portable air conditioner. The easiest one is at the top in the back, and the other 2 are at the bottom and require a Phillips screwdriver. On the back, you'll see these 2 tabs. Press down and pull gently outward. You don't need to get the door off, you just need to open it to get to this filter, which is very dirty. You can see how very dirty this filter is. We'll turn the filter upside down and pour water through from the other side. Rinse it until it's clean. And there it is. Now you can see through it like you're supposed to be able to. So you can imagine that machine is going to be a lot happier. Shake out the water and then let it sit to dry thoroughly before putting it back in the machine. If you want to clean the door, just pull straight up to remove it entirely. See how the dirt buildup happens right here. We'll wash the door. We'll wipe everything down with a wet rag. Here's a comparison of clean versus dirty against the light. Now that it's dry, we'll put the clean filter back in. The 3 tabs in place to reinstall the door. The filter only goes in one direction because of this arc. Snap it into place against the tabs. Push on the sides of the door to snap it back into place. To clean this bottom filter, use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these 2 screws. Snap this door off. It's held in with 4 tabs, so you'll slide it from the front. The next one pulls out from the side. Clean them in the exact same way. Wipe it down. The curved filter is easiest to reinstall by sliding the curved end under the tabs first. Once this filter is dry, slide it back into place, making sure that this arrow is visible. This panel is not easy to get back in. There are 4 tabs to put those in first, and then you just have to kind of snap and wiggle until it goes. Put the screws back in, and that's how you change the 3 filters on this one air conditioned unit.